In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can find photos in Canva with your exact brand colors. So let's say you need some assets, like maybe you need a background photo, but you need a background photo that contains the color of your brand. And in Canva, fortunately, they have made it easy to find such photos. So first, let's go to Elements, and I'm going to search for a picture of flowers. Now let's navigate to photos, and you'll see that there are a lot of different flowers photos right here, and I just need the one that has the same blue color that I have right now. So because of that, I want to visit brand, and this is the brand color that I already set up, and I'm going to visit edit, and I'm going to copy this blue color. I'm going to click on it, right click on the code, click copy, and let's go back to elements. And then here there is this menu, you can click on it. You want to add a new color, and then you can replace it with the brand color that you just copied. Click apply, and you can click anywhere, and there you go. Now I have a lot of photos with the brand color, more or less the brand color that I have. It's not going to be exactly 100% the same, but a lot of them are going to be very close. So I'm going to drag this photo, send it to the back, and there you go. So this is very useful if you want to make your design to follow your brand colors and style. And yeah, you can take advantage of this feature to find the exact photos based on the color that you want. So anyway, that's exactly how you can do it. And if you find this video to be useful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.